Hey y'all, it is me Zaria, and I am here to react to NCT 127's Fire Truck. I don't know if I can say this is a comeback because the last NCT was You, and I do know that there are different members from NCT U, but some of the same members are still in it. But so I don't know if this is like a comeback or a debut. I don't know. I have heard a lot about this. I heard that the song is good, but like the MV like distracts you from it or like ruins the song itself. But I don't know, I'm gonna judge for myself. I really liked NCT U's The Seven Sins, like that song goes. So I am excited to see this. So yeah. 3, 2, 1, go. Turn it down a bit. Oh, okay. There they go with the choreography already. Oh, what the hell? Why they got this little white girl? Is that Taeyang? That's the problematic one, isn't it? This music video is distracting. Oh. Okay. Like, these are new people, I don't recognize them. Why did they do that to Mark? You don't hit it. Oh, okay. That was cool. Hey, I can do that one. Can you rap? Hey! Okay, I'm here for the rappers. This music video is really weird. Like that part when he goes into that verse is weird. I do like the song though. Fire truck. What the fuck? What is it with all these white folks? I'm confused. What the hell? Floppy this. All these white folks. What the fuck? Okay. Show the dancing. I saw a belly. What does that mean? Sabangcha? Sabangcha. Okay. This weird ass music video. Oh, the fuck? Who the hell is this old white lady? The fuck is going on? What they finna do to this little boy? What the hell? Wait a minute, are we not gonna talk about how they just gonna run up on that little boy? The fuck? Well, besides that disturbing as music video, especially at the end, like, what? The song low-key goes. Like, I can see myself listening to it, feeling it. The rap with Mark and the other, I think he's new, but that kind of went off. That low-key went off. But the song was good too. It's just the music. Now I understand why people were saying the music video can make you not like the song because it's just weird as fuck. And it's disturbing a little bit. Like, I'm just a little bit concerned for the little white boy. But yeah, I see NCT, this collection of members or whatever, seems promising. Like, every song they put out so far, I've enjoyed. So, okay, NCT 127. They just need to add a 0 and that'll be my birthday, 10/27. But that's beside the point. I think maybe watching a live stage will make me enjoy it even more when you see the choreography together with it. So on that note, thank you guys for watching. Don't forget to subscribe, share this video, like, and comment. And if you want, you can follow me on my Twitter, my Instagram. I will leave those in the description below. Thanks for watching. I love you guys. Bye.